Hi, today we will discuss the top Halloween products. If someone want to target this niche, these are the products I recommend. Halloween is coming next month. You have only few days left, but you can target these products and get good amount of sales and good amount of profit. So first product which I am recommending to this LED mask. This as a LED mask is a trending product now because of its many features. First of all, it is little a unique product. Then its price is quite okay, around $7. You can easily sell this product around $22, $25, $16. It depends upon your marketing skills and how you write the description of the product, how you explain the product. This product I select on number one because of this reason, because it is getting a lot of orders from USA. So someone is working on this product. It means so you can log 5 September this order came and this product is in trending list. So I recommend you work on this product. The next product I recommend everyone is this spider mask. This spider mask this spider web for Halloween parties, and you can make it a decoration also. So this price is quite good. You can easily sell this product around $10, $12 and get a good amount of sales, and you can get a quite high profit from this product. You can explain this product like this. This is a good picture, HD picture, and then you can use these to sell this and make a video and sell these products also. So please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. I daily upload new video so you can get the daily updates of my channel. The next product I will recommend every day this less mask. This is the old product, but due to its pricing you can get a good sales and you can get a lot of profit from this product. Also it is half a dollar product and you can easily sell this product on $7, $8, and you can get a good amount of sales because this is a woman product and women want to this products. You can check these images also. I recommend everyone not only use these default images, you can use also these images. Also these are of good quality, and this product also getting good amount of sales from US and all the e-packets shipping pro countries. So people are working on this product also. The next product is this type of mask. These types of horror masks are also selling good. One of my friend also working on this product and it is getting good sales. You can sell this product around $25 to $30, and people will buy it because of these are awesome new designs. The last and product I recommend everyone, and these costumes. These are the kids products, and kids love these types of products. You can also sell these clothes easily around 15 to 20 profit margin. And I will recommend everyone start working now if you want to target this Halloween event. No, you cannot further delay this event. Start now, jump into now. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will reply every comment. So that's all from today video. Thanks.